Today we are going to be taking some regular baking potatoes, and I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to prepare these for hash browns. I just had a girlfriend post on Facebook that, she went to the grocery store, she was looking for the frozen bags of hash browns. And, we know that, statewide, countrywide, that there are going to be empty shelves. There's going to be shortages. They just can't get things, or people have already beaten you to the store to get what you need. Basic things like this, guys, are going to be great for you to know. This is going to be part of our series of pantry basics. That'll help you stretch your budget, help you, stretch your pantry. Guys, watch how easy this is. Simple. I'm going to take these, I'm going to wash them. I'm going to throw them in a pot of water. We're going to boil them. That's it. We're going to let them cool, and then these get shredded. So I pulled my potato bin from underneath my counter here, and I'm just going to kind of go through the potatoes. Some of these have eyes on them. I'm going to kind of feel them. If they don't feel too bad, all you have to do is pop these eyes off. And these do fine for mashed potatoes, that kind of stuff. You can tell when you feel them. I've got a little bit of a spot right here. I'm just going to cut that right out. Throw it in there. Guys, a little bit wrinkly like this, but once you boil this up, this will be completely fine. Cut that bad spot out. All right, here's one. The end of this has been hit with a spade, obviously. We're going to take a little layer off and see where we're at. Okay, you want to go a little bit past the bad area. You can see that there's no discoloration, no mold, no nothing. Let's check this area out. We're going to go. And this just tells me I just have to go just a little bit deeper. That's it. And this potato, and then see here, there's like a little bit of a bruise. There's a little spot right there. We'll just cut that off. And if you watch up in the one corner, I'll post a video on a potato hack for peeling. Peeling in no time. All right, so we have all the potatoes we need. I'm going to take these to the sink and rinse them off. All right, so we have the potatoes on the stove. We're going to turn these up to high and let them boil until we want them just under fork tender. Ooh, they feel good. Guys, you want these just under fork tender. So like if you were going to be making baked potatoes out of these, or mashed potatoes, these would want to go a little bit longer. But because these are going to be fried, you want them just slightly tender. So we have these drained. We're just going to fill them up with some cold water and let them sit. So we're just taking the coarser shredder. Look at that, guys. And just like that. Now, if you wanted to take and do up a batch of these, you could throw these into a Ziploc bag, set your microwave for about half an hour, throw them in the freezer, and then when you're done, shake up that bag so these pieces don't stay all clumped together. Throw them in the freezer when it's completely hard, and all those pieces are separate, then you've got homemade hash browns. Right, we've got our pot on the stove. We'll turn it up to medium heat. A little bit of oil in there. Look at that, guys. Who needs those freezer hash browns when you can do this all on your own? So you saw how we took basic potatoes, boiled them, shredded them, throw them in a pan, fry them up, and we've got breakfast. Really no fuss, do it all in the beginning of the week. Just try to make life a little bit easier. And if you go to the grocery store and you can't find something, this is a good example of simple things to do, so you don't have to depend on the store. Or, if you get there and you can't find the stuff, it's really easy to make. You just go home and do it. Better yet, just buy the potatoes and do it yourself. It's that easy. All right, guys, keep on baking, keep on cooking. Stock up your pantry with the basic needs. All right, guys, so until next time, keep on keeping on.